A perfect day that went horribly wrong. On a bright, beautiful summer day, my sister Kiana and I were out playing in the yard. The hum of the mower buzzed in the background as we ran around playing soccer in our backyard. We heard the mower stop and saw our mom climb off to go talk to our neighbor. I jumped up into the seat and was playing with the steering wheel, pretending I was driving. Kiana hopped on the back and stood on the hitch. Her experience of mowing and convincing personality persuaded me to start the engine and let her teach me, as she yelled over the loud engine to put the grass-eating machine in reverse. We were suddenly accelerating backwards at a speed much faster than I wanted to go. I was so absorbed with trying to stop the mower that my attention was focused forward instead of watching behind me, when all of a sudden, we ran over a huge lump that I knew was not supposed to be there. As Kiana and I jumped off the still-running mower, we saw my 5-year-old brother, Caden, trapped under the ginormous wheel, his small arms flailing, and I saw pure panic on his bulging eyes. Caden had come running up behind us to see if we wanted to play baseball with him, but he slipped on the dewy grass and slid right beneath the heavy tire. I screamed at my sister, "Help me push it off! Kiana, he's going to die! Hurry! Please hurry!" But it was impossible with our non-existent strength. Finally, our mother came and was able to shove the heavy mower off his small body. I searched frantically for blood or dismembered parts, but I thankfully found my brother in one piece. It is a miracle that Caden didn't lose his legs, let alone his life. Had he lost a limb, I never would have forgiven myself for all the things he would have missed out on in life. I would have felt terrible if I were the reason he had prosthetic legs. Yet life with no legs would have been far better than life with no Caden. This handsome young man is the greatest gift from God, and I am so grateful that he walked away without a scratch. Needless to say, I learned one of the hardest lessons of my life that day, but I am so thankful that the result was only an enormous scolding and not a life-threatening consequence, because life without Caden and his silly yet joyful self is simply unimaginable.